Are they testicles?
Turkey testicles. Good morning. You join us just north of Zagreb in Croatia. About to hit another country. Leanne didn't sleep very well, did you? As you can tell, she's not best pleased. So we're gonna hit Hungary.
No,
where are we?
No. Hungary.
No, we're in Hungary.
Lacey's just
Hungary.
Lacey's just asked if we're in Bulgaria.
No, we're in Hungary. Like hungry. Ah, I'm hungry. What have we found, Leanne?
Found a Tesco's with an F&F clothing.
No, we're not going shopping.
Oh.
Well, the only thing we're doing is food shopping. All right.
I'm deprived shopping, clothes shopping.
You'll go in Prague. So a little table and chairs, 69, just short of 70,000. Can't remember what they're called. But Hungarian is £150-ish. Watch this. Here, Liam.
What is that?
What?
What's that? Are they testicles?
Turkey testicles. So for me, that was very, very stressful. Leanne, what was the Tesco's like?
Yeah, it was stressful. How much did it come to?
Just short of 75 quid. Oh, you dropped your buns, hun.
No, you dropped your buns.
Oh, I dropped my buns, hun. So just short of 75, and it was 33,000 Hungarian for something. Yeah. So there's a big difference. We was doing a lot of converting on prices. We was doing a lot of translation, and surprisingly, Leanne didn't even want turkey testicles for dinner.
No, I did.
I don't know why. So I've just come back out of Tesco, and the old girl had a bit of a noise going on. It sounds like the fan shroud. So in here, look, it's been catching, and I didn't realised. So I'm going to try and just tie it up a bit, just so it doesn't get in the way. Good old cable ties. But yeah, it's definitely been catching, and hopefully that gets rid of the noise.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
So just pulled into a literally garage 2 minutes round the corner. Fair place, dropped everything, come out and had a look. I think he's just trying to diagnose what it is now. So keep you updated. Leaving it at the garage. Nice old boy. He said give me about an hour, 2 hours. 75,000 Hungarian. Oh, he said about 70,000 Hungarian. So we're going to walk to a cash point now. Everyone's out. Going for a walk in Hungary. Going to go find a cash point. I'll probably get him a bit more than that. So fair play, he's dropped everything. He's just going to literally do our job instantly, which, you know, he's already got work on. So you don't often find a garage like that nowadays. And hopefully, fingers crossed, that solves the problem. So, you're probably not going to be able to see it on camera. There's my little bodge job for that. But that pulley there, and as you can see it, just see it there, shiny. 2 brand new pulleys, brand new belt on there as well, even though it wasn't that old. He said it's still not cured it. So he said, as you can see, this is the alternator here. The alternator pulley itself, the bearings have gone. First port of call, what I did say is, I went, alternator bearing, because it was on this left hand side as you're looking at the engine. So it sounds like that. But he said the other ones needed doing anyway, so they're done. So that's about 150 quid. I was like, all right, fair enough. So he says, so he's trying to explain it. They're calling it a generator. So it's the alternator, as we call it in the UK. He said it's charging, so it's doing its job. But the actual bearings in the alternator, generator, they've gone. So we replaced them. He said, I can't get it in today, though. It's going to be 9 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, all right, okay, fair enough. Didn't really ask him how much, because I'm at that point where I'm just like, you're stopping my travelling, I need it done. But I was just saying to Leanne, like, people in the UK, and I would have anyway, if somebody came to me with a car and said, the alternator bearing's gone, you just replace the alternator. But they're not replacing the alternator, they're replacing the alternator bearing, I believe. We'll find out in the morning, but I said, all right, I'll pay you for this work now. We'll go find a local campsite, we'll come back in the morning. He said, no, pay all together. I was like, how trusting is that? Do you know what I mean? We could be anybody. So I'm just I'm like, I'm a bit pissed that the van's sort of like, it's not broke down, it's driving fine, but there's something wrong with the van. I'm a little bit pissed about that, but I'm so happy that it's happened where it's happened, and not only it's happened where it's happened, we've had somebody like really freaking nice like that to try and help us out as well. You'd struggle to find it in the UK, unless you're at Hadley Services, obviously, but you would really struggle to find anybody like that in the UK. That is freaking crazy. Right, so we found a spot. We are in for thunderstorms, but it keeps the kids happy because they've been logging on again, haven't they? There's a pool, there's a shower, because we're all hot, sticky, so we can get that done. As you can see, it's just starting to spit with rain. Hopefully we miss the thunderstorms. Might have to get the awning out. We might just have a bit of a barbecue, and yeah, we'll go from there. It's a nice little campsite. It's dead quiet as well, dead quiet. Well, until we turned up, obviously. After today's events, it's all right, I'm laughing because I thought I'd just press record and I didn't press record. So I was just talking away to myself. So after today's events, we are chillaxing with a beer. Kids are in the pool, literally just there. Oh, no, there, over there. Got the fire going. It's not the fire for keeping warm, obviously, because you can tell, probably sweating still. We're just going to cook a bit of a barbecue, and we've got some fresh meat because we had plenty of time to go shopping, didn't we? Yeah. But yeah, there's not much to the campsite, to be fair. It's a complete basic campsite, so hopefully it's a nice quiet night. Get up fresh in the morning, go get the van done, and continue on the travels. Morning, as you can probably hear, if you can hear me, total different day today. Trees are blowing, everything's blowing. Actually woke me up, but it's still warm. As you can see, I've just got my hoodie on. Had a fresh shower. Go behind the camp. There you go. A little bit more showered, but yeah, the wind has picked up massively. Got up early because obviously I really want to get this van sorted, squared up, and be on travels again. Got a couple of cool, really cool things planned for today, as long as the van gets fixed. So I'm going to get squared away, get the awning away. Fair play the awning in this weather. Fair play Landtrekker. Coming out with this stuff again. So, another bit of the error. We, as you can see, probably seen in previous footage, I'm actually doing this strap. This strap's absolutely wicked, perfect. This strap is actually to the headrest because the screws popped out. So, just a little slight thing that we've got to do, but I've got screws. I'm just waiting to stop on site for a little bit, so probably later part of the trip I'll get that screw back in. It's not going anywhere anyway, but yeah, thought I'd show you. Life is not always rainbows and butterflies. We've been seeing a lot of these Ford lorries as well. Why don't we get them in England? I think they look smart, man. Let me know in the comments. So we're all having Chinese for breakfast. You're not.
That's what we
It was that nice, we took some away. So after Chinese for breakfast, heading back towards the garage. I've actually I googled what the most favourite Hungarian beer is, and they said I think it's Dramer, something like that. So I was like, yeah, I'll definitely buy the lads a 6-pack of them and take that back 100%. The van has been moved, so I'm hoping that's a good sign. I am dead happy. We've got the van back. 80,000 Hungarian blah, 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 blah. So I just gave him another 10,000 tip. Took the old belt back as well, just going to keep that as a spare just in case, but sweet as a nut. He took the bearing off, showed me the bearing. He literally just showed me it through all the work that he'd done. And I was like, mate, it's sorted, trust you. Bought him a 6-pack of beers I was well happy with. But yeah, I just can't get over it. It's just not like the UK, which is mad. It really is mad. So like I said before, they've just dropped everything, got us in, actually been a mechanic, which is, you don't find that nowadays. You find technicians and then they blag it on a bit. Oh, it could be this wrong, it could be that wrong, and he's like instantly, bang, well that needs repairing, sorted. We're back on the road, baby. As you can see, swapped over. Leanne's getting some miles in, and the road is absolutely dead. I don't know what it is. It's like driving through, I don't know, there's like just lorries, isn't there? It's mad. Just miles and miles of openness. So we've put a little stop in. We are now at Bratislava, Slovakia. So it just breaks the journey up and the kids actually get to go out a little bit. Still got another hour or so to where we want to get to. So yeah, this was just a little stop off. Literally the road passed straight past here. So yeah, it looks a beautiful little city. Hello. Oh, this one's got a little goatee. Oh, didn't like that. Proper cage though. Look at that. Slovakian kebab. Slovakian kebab. Beautiful. So we had the kebab. Absolutely beautiful. What I would say is generally the price, normally we don't eat out. We try and eat cheaply when we're in Europe, but a full kebab plate was like €8.50, so what, 8 quid, £7.50, 8 quid, something like that. So we've all had a meal literally in a public zoo. So imagine if that was Chessington or wherever the zoos are in the UK, you're talking 15-20 quid per plate. So it's probably just as cheap to eat out than what it is, you know, eating in, as they call it, which is bizarre but great, because we've now got a full belly. And they don't know, but I've just booked me and Riley onto a shooting range. So that's the big surprise for him. He's been through a lot of shit lately, so yeah, he doesn't know anything about it, so I can't wait to see his face. So believe it or not, I saw a lot of people. We're now in Czech Republic, Czechia. And I saw a lot of people coming the other way. They all had headlights or side lights on at least, so I'm just a bit like, So I just got Riley to Google it. And yeah, it's compulsory in Czech Republic, even in the daytime. You need your lights on. So, little fact for you. Going through Czech Republic, get your lights on. You know you wanted to really, really go somewhere.
I can see it.
And what is it?
Trigger service, gun, what was it? Shooting guns.
Yeah. You up for a bit of that?
Yeah.
Good. We've just been, I think, which way was it? Oh. See, we're actually like 3 floors underground. So we've just been in right in the toilet, so I said, oh, what do we need? ID, oh we're okay parking upstairs. So, yeah. It's like a mega complex, there's a gym, there's like a bit of all sorts mixed up, so we didn't really know which way we were going, but found it eventually. This is going to be cool. Okay, so you got to take your pick.
During the shooting, you're gonna make photos, videos, of course.
Perfect.
Yes.
I don't know.
Hold it tight, like enemy balls, and slowly shoot.
Holy shit.
You're on the camera, your mom will hear you. Go, go. One more. And go for it, cowboy, from United Kingdom. Hele, přidejte pokud možno tak, abyste to nepoškodili. Nehoda se můžeme se hecnout. Ale pokud máte nějaký trouble, který vás pomůže, řekněte, ať si to trošku přizpůsobíme.
So what did you think to that?
Really good.
Mega, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We've got the targets, we'll show you later. But I think he might have won that one. Shh, don't tell him. You got to hide them from the border, all right? Because otherwise, that's it. We're getting chucked out.